Yep. It's not a surfboard.
Got it, like a champ. Sup guys? See what I did there? Stand-up paddleboard. That's what I'm going to be trying today. Using this stand-up paddleboard that Brenda got off of Amazon. So we're going to try this thing out, give it a whirl. We're at Rocky Point Park right now. It's a bit choppy, so we may end up in the water. But I've never actually been on a SUP before, so we're going to give this thing a whirl and see how it goes. So let's get out on the water. All right, trying to stand on this thing and see if we can not tip it.
You need to kneel, Matt, for Christ's sake.
Right.
Oh,
hang on.
oh my God.
Away we go. Maybe it needs more air.
Yeah, we might.
Put some more air in. It's a bit more stable. I can get 3 people on this thing.
Another one up front here. There we go.
There we go. All right. I'm not having much luck with the drone. I put it up and I was just about to start filming and the thing just dropped into the water. Luckily, as you can see, I'm only about 3 feet, so I was able to grab it, but whether it still works or not, I don't know. But that's why I haven't seen any drone footage in my videos for the last little while. I've been waiting for it to get back from the last time I lost it. And then now, this time, again, it went in the drink. So, which is unfortunate, because as you can see, we have some spectacular views. I can pretend I'm the drone. Save the bags. Just fold it up and it comes out just like an air mattress. Comes with its own adjustable paddle in 3 pieces. All you do is pop this out. One, a button, 2, 3, and all goes in the bag. It comes in that super easy to carry bag, so you can pack it anywhere. And then you too can be supping. Alright, this video is a lot shorter than I thought it was going to be since the drone went in the drink. I thought at least I get a couple minutes of some good drone shots being out there. This is just a blow up stand-up paddleboard. Pump it up. Weighs about 14 pounds and off you go. I'll post a link in the description below and where you can pick one up. And otherwise, hope you guys enjoyed that. And be sure to like and subscribe.